Hello Hidden Valley friends, it's time for a math lesson. So before we start, I want you to get ready with pencil and be writing some answers because we're going to do some quick problems here. And I will give you the answers at the end. Are we ready? I'm going to flip my camera and I want you to be ready to solve those problems. You will have 10 seconds per problem. I will count down your 10 seconds. Let's go. 9 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 17 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 33 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 51 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 62 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 74 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 86 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 98 plus 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, friends, check your answers. 9 plus 10 is 19. 17 plus 10 is 27. 20 plus 10 is 30. 33 plus 10 is 43. 45 plus 10 is 55. 51 plus 10 is 61. 62 plus 10 is 72. 74 plus 10 is 84. 86 plus 10 is 96. 98 plus 10 is 108. All right, friends. Now we've done our quick problems. Let's do a word problem together. Here's our word problem. Jose has 5 grapes. He gets 10 more grapes from his mom. How many grapes does he have altogether? Well, first, we're going to take our pencil and we're going to circle the important numbers. So we see Jose has 5 grapes. He gets 10 more. So I'm going to circle that 10 because those are our numbers. Now we are going to underline the important words. He gets more grapes. He didn't lose grapes, he got more. And we need to find out how many altogether. So I know if it's more, I'm going to add. So I need to add my 5 and 10. So let's solve this. Jose has 5 grapes. He gets 10 more grapes. So we add those together. 5 plus 10. Well, I can draw that out. I can use my fingers. I can use a 10 frame, a 100 chart, whatever I feel to help me. Today, I'm going to draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 grapes is what he started with. Then he got 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 grapes to start, 10 more added. I can count by 5s to figure out my answer because each is a row of 5. 5, 10, 15. He has 15 grapes. Notice I wrote the words grapes after each one. If I just wrote 15, I wouldn't know 15 of how many or 15 of what. So I have to make sure I add my word to make it a complete answer. There are 15 grapes, not 15 Jose's, not 15 moms, 15 grapes altogether. All right, my friends. We are going to solve something new today. So today's lesson is going to be about measurement. We've never touched on measurement before. What is measurement? Well, let's find out. This is measurement. We're going to solve length today. What is length? Length is how long an object is. You could have a short length, a long length, or something in between. We have to remember though, you can put objects in order two ways when it comes to length. You can put objects from longest to shortest, or shortest to longest. So if I looked up here, I would know this is the shortest. 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 This one is the longest. 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 Short means that the object is a smaller length than something it's compared to. Long means the object is a bigger length than something it's compared to. So if we compared this rod to this rod, the first one is shorter than the second one. If we compared the second rod to the third rod, the second rod is shorter than the third. Or we could say it the other way. The third rod is longer than the second rod, and the second rod is shorter than the first rod. Let's come down this way. It says remember to line the objects up before you measure them. That means they start at the same place. All of these objects all start at the same line, because if they're not at the same line, we don't know if it's truly longer or shorter. I'm going to show you. I'm going to get a few objects together. The objects I'm going to do are a pencil, a normal wood pencil. I'm going to get a marker, and let's make my last object a glue stick. Those are three objects: glue stick, marker, and pencil. So let's compare those. I'm going to slide some things around and pull up my three objects. Here they are. If I put these objects in random spots, you can see that this object might look the longest. The glue stick might look longer than the marker. So right now, the marker looks the shortest. Why is that? Well, that's because these objects are not lined up. If I take my index card and I slide them all to match up, now we can see and compare them which one is longest. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to decide which one you think is the longest and which one you think is the shortest. 3, 2, 1. I hope you said that the pencil is the longest and the glue stick is the shortest. If you said that, you'd be right. We can see it much better now that they're lined up. If this pencil were pushed all the way back, now it looks like the pencil and the marker are the same. But there's this whole piece that's missing. So we must line them up and make them start at the same spot to be fair. Let's slide those to the side and pull up our math book. I know many of you don't have your math book at home. That is okay. You can draw out your objects yourself, Or just pause the video when you see your problems that you need to do, and you will be able to solve them on a piece of paper without having to write them all down. So let's do problems 1 and 2. 1 shows me how to do this. It says, draw lines to show which object is longest and which is shortest. They chose the words longest and shortest and put them to the side. Longest starts with the O, like L, longest. Shortest starts with the sh sound. SH makes the sh sound. They want us to draw a line from the word longest to the longest object, and the word shortest to the shortest object. And look on the side. See how they're all lined up? I can take my pencil and line them right next to the edge, and they all lined up perfectly. So I know that we're playing fair because they're all starting at the same place. So they said that this pink rod is the longest. I agree, because if I look and I line my pencil up, if I drag my pencil along, I see that the purple one stops first, then the blue, and then the pink. So the pink one is the longest. The shortest, they said, is the purple. They're right, because when I move that pencil across, I stop first at that purple one. The purple doesn't go past any further. Let's try it for number 2. We're going to make a line from the longest word to the longest object. The shortest word to the shortest object. I notice again that they're perfectly aligned. I'm going to drag my pencil across and make sure it stays really straight to try to figure out which one might be the shortest. They're still all going. The purple has stopped. The purple's not longer anymore. See that? The purple gets completely covered up. So I think the purple is the shortest. So I'm going to take my pencil and draw that line all the way across. But we still have to find the longest. Let's find that together. What are we going to do with our pencil? That's right, we're going to drag it across. So drag, stop. We stopped at our purple, which is the shortest one. Do we stop here? No, we have to keep going because we're looking for the longest. Drag, oh, the blue has stopped. Which one goes past the pencil? The purple, the green, or the blue? You're right, the green one still goes past the pencil. So the green one is the longest. So let's draw our line. Good job, friends. Now it's your turn. We're going to slide our page over, and I'm going to show you your problems. You have 2 big problems here, and this is your bonus problem. So it wants you to draw the lines to show which object is the longest and which is the shortest. You can take the time to either draw with 3 colors, the markers, and draw the pencils, or you can pause the video and decide here. Now when you're pausing the video, I want you to write which one you think it is. So we're going to say this is the green, this is blue, and this is pink. So I can write which one I think is the longest without having to draw it. I can say one of these colors is the longest. So I would write the color name and then write the word longest or shortest. Down here, we don't have colors, so it's hard to tell. So I'm going to number these. This would be pencil 1, pencil 2, and pencil 3. So if you can't draw the pencils, you can say pencil 1, pencil 2, or pencil 3 to go with the word longest or shortest. So I would like you to pause the video here and try to solve problems 3 and 4. When you have solved problems 3 and 4, come back to the video and we're going to try problem 5. Pause the video now. Great job trying your problems. Here's your bonus problem. It says, use the clues about length to color the crayons. Now there are 3 crayons here. I'm going to label them crayon 1, 2, and 3. You will get to draw these crayons, or write the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and add a color next to it to match our clues. It says the shortest crayon is orange. The blue crayon is longer than the green crayon. So I see 3 colors: orange, blue, and green. Here's my colors: orange, green, and blue. Perfect. So I would color those to match. So take the time to pause the video and solve your extra problem. All right, friends. We're going to go back and we're going to solve these problems together to check your work. Are you ready? We need to draw a line to show which object is the longest and which is the shortest. Longest started with the L. So I know this word is longest. Well, I see that they're all lined up again. So I'm going to drag my pencil to see which ends first. Oh, the green ended first. Does that mean the green is the longest or the shortest? Good job. It means it's the shortest. Now I'm going to keep going. Let's drag that pencil again. There's the green. Blue, so pink's the longest. I hope you got green for the shortest and pink for the longest. Now let's do our pencils. Pencil 1, 2, and 3. Which pencil is the longest and which one is the shortest? Let's do our pencil trick. Oh, 2 stopped first, so 2 must be the shortest. Let's drag that pencil again. Oh, 3 didn't stop like 1 did, so 3 must be the longest. Good job. Now I'll do my bonus question. Which of the crayons should be colored the shortest? Well, it says the shortest crayon is orange. So if I drag my pencil, I can find out, oh, crayon number 3 is the shortest. So I can color that one orange. Let me cap my orange marker. Let's see, the next color is blue. So I'm going to get my blue marker. The blue crayon is longer than the green. So that means the blue crayon should be the longest. Let's find the longest one. Oh, number 2 is the longest. So number 2 is blue. So what color should number 1 be? That's right. It should be green. So let me open my green crayon, or my green marker, to color my green crayon. There we go. Good job, friends. I hope you worked your very best and tried very hard. If you really want some extra practice, let me turn the page. These are a few extra problems here. You can pause the video if you want to try these extra problems, but they are not required. Just try your very best if you want to do the extra work. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today and learned a little bit about length. Look forward to more videos about length and measurement. See you next time, friends.